Number 1.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $9,950. This truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, featuring a blue exterior paired with an interior that complements its classic style. The truck is powered by a nicely built 327 engine, combined with a stalled converter and a rebuilt TH350 transmission, delivering strong and responsive performance. It also comes with power steering and power brakes, making it comfortable and easy to drive. The exhaust system consists of headers with a dual Flowmaster setup, producing an aggressive and unmistakable sound, while the posy rear end ensures solid traction. Overall, this is a fun and rowdy truck that runs and drives flawlessly. The only noted issue is that the tires tend to smoke under power, which speaks more to its performance than a mechanical flaw.
Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800, well-maintained pickup with 96,000 original miles and a clean Ohio title. It features an automatic transmission, a 2WD drivetrain, and is powered by a reliable 5.7L gasoline engine. The truck comes in a red exterior paired with a burgundy interior, which is in great condition. The vehicle has been recently serviced and upgraded, including brand new headers, new wiring, spark plugs, and a fresh oil change. The suspension and steering components have also been refreshed with new upper and lower control arms, gearbox, inner and outer tie rods, as well as new front and rear shocks for improved ride quality. Additional work includes a new fuel pump, new AC lines, fully functional air conditioning and heating, and a custom rear bumper. It sits on classic 1990s wheels fitted with brand new tires, enhancing both appearance and performance.
Number 3.
1987 Chevrolet R20, price $8,000, powered by a 5.7-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a clean and cohesive appearance. The truck has recently received several updates, including a new alternator, a new master cylinder, and a new battery. The heater functions properly, while the air conditioning turns on but will require Freon to operate optimally. This California truck is rust-free and rides very well, with tight steering and no noticeable play in the steering wheel.
It starts easily and runs smoothly.
Additional features include a backup camera, an original bedliner, and an interior that remains in excellent condition for its age. The registration is up to date, making this R20 a solid and reliable classic truck ready to drive.
Number 4.
1999 Ford Ranger, price $6,500, with only 120,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by the highly regarded 4.0L OHV engine, it delivers an impressive 225 ft-lbs of torque, providing strong and reliable performance. Previously owned by a mature lady who primarily used it for daily errands, this Ranger has been well cared for. It is equipped with 4 doors and offers comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers, making it both practical and versatile. The air conditioning blows cold, the heater works perfectly. While the truck is not flawless, there are minor cosmetic imperfections, as the paint on the left front fender and the roof could be restored if desired.
Number 5.
1993 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,000, features a paint job that is fairly good overall, with only a few minor imperfections in certain areas. The interior is in excellent condition and has been well maintained, with the only noticeable issue being a couple of small cracks on the dashboard that are not severe. The truck is believed to have a 4/6 drop, giving it a lowered and more aggressive stance. It is equipped with new headlights along with several other small upgrades. Under the hood, it is powered by a V8 350 engine that was reportedly rebuilt at some point, although there is no documentation to verify the work. The air conditioning system is still functional but would benefit from a refrigerant recharge to perform at its best.
Number 6.
1965 Ford F100, price $6,500, equipped with a 352 cubic inch engine and an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. The truck has accumulated 102,000 miles and runs on gasoline. It features a bright yellow exterior that highlights its vintage character, paired with a clean and well-kept interior.
The vehicle is in good overall condition and starts easily without issues. Several years ago, the floor pans and cab mounts were replaced, adding to the truck's solid structure and long-term durability. The rocker panels are rust-free, reflecting proper care and maintenance over the years. Overall, this classic Ford F100 remains a reliable and clean example, suitable for driving, collecting, or further restoration. Number 7.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, well-maintained pickup with only 115,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. Finished in a white exterior with a black interior, the truck is a rust-free example from the southern region, ensuring a solid and clean body condition. Powered by a reliable 5.3L engine, this regular cab long bed 2WD Silverado is equipped with a factory tow package, making it suitable for both work and light hauling needs. The interior remains in nice condition, reflecting careful ownership and regular use without excessive wear. Overall, this Silverado 1500 offers a combination of low mileage, dependable performance, a clean rust-free body, and practical features that make it a great option for anyone looking for a classic and capable full-size pickup.
Number 8.
1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. It has 131,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a red exterior paired with a red interior and runs on gasoline. The engine has received extensive recent work, including all new gaskets, a new timing chain, a new oil pump, and a camshaft upgraded 2 steps larger, giving it a noticeable and nice lope at idle. It is also equipped with headers and a dual exhaust system with tailpipes that are not loud at all. Cruise control is fully functional. Cosmetically, the truck has dents on nearly every panel, reflecting its history as an old work truck rather than a show truck. Overall, it remains a dependable and mechanically strong vehicle suitable for daily use, hauling, or as a classic workhorse project.
Number 9.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500. This truck comes with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a tan exterior combined with a gray interior and is powered by a strong and dependable 5.3 LLS engine. The truck runs and drives well, providing a comfortable and solid driving experience.
There is some brake noise present, and the front driver's side ABS wire will need to be replaced. Additionally, the check engine light comes on intermittently due to a bank 202 sensor. Aside from these noted issues, the truck is in very good overall condition. It was previously owned by a grandfather and has been well cared for over the years. With only 58,000 original miles, this Sierra has exceptionally low mileage for its age and remains a very clean and reliable truck. Number 10.
1991 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500, powered by a 2.8L engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. The odometer shows 275,000 miles, though the engine was replaced at some point. The truck runs and drives well but still needs paint and interior carpet to be fully finished. It features a 5.7 drop with mini notches, dehumped lower control arms, new pro-forged ball joints, and new tie rods. The drivetrain includes a used transmission with fresh fluids, a new clutch kit, and a refreshed differential. The engine has new gaskets, belt, water pump, thermostat, aluminum radiator, electric fans, and a new exhaust. The body has new fenders, cab corners, rockers, core support, front bumper, poly bushings, all new lights, and blazer mirrors. It sits on brand new 14-inch white wall tires with GM white wheels and 1956 Bel Air caps.